Today I'm going to be comparing the MEGELIN red light therapy mat with the QuasarMD red light therapy mat. It's going to be super detailed. We're going to go over all the specs and the differences. I've even got a measuring tape so we can measure things, and also I've got all my stats here on the computer. So let's start with the size. The MEGELIN is 71 by 31 inches and the QuasarMD is 71 by 23 inches. So you can see that the QuasarMD is quite a bit narrower than the MEGELIN, and that makes a big difference. So let me show you. When I lie down on the MEGELIN one, I prefer the width of the MEGELIN one because it very easily covers my whole body, whether I'm lying on it or whether I'm on top of it. But when I go on the QuasarMD mat, and I'm 5 feet 5 inches and 250 pounds, 150 pounds. When I go on the QuasarMD, you can see that if I just lie normally, my hands are off. Now I can bring my legs in and my arms in, but that requires, it's not as relaxing because it requires some tension to make sure all my body parts are on the mat. So right off the bat, for me, one of the major differences is in the size. The MEGELIN is a much better size for most bodies. But when we take a look at it, I want us to look carefully because there's a lot of other things to take into consideration here. The lights here go right to the edge of the mat, whereas here they don't go to the edge of the mat. So if we're talking about the 71 by 31 or the 71 by 24, there's a big difference in actual lights that are covering the body, right? Because here you've got about an inch on either side there's no lights. So let's measure the width of the actual lights. So the width of the actual lights on the MEGELIN is 27 inches. And then on the QuasarMD, it is 21.5. So you are getting, about 2.5 inches less on either side on the QuasarMD. So it still matters. The other thing is on the height of the QuasarMD one, see how the lights come. There's quite a bit of space so we're saying 71, but we've got 2 inches here and we've got 2 inches here with no light. So that's, what, 65, 67, yeah, 67. And +4 would give you the actual length of it. Whereas the MEGELIN one actually does go more to the edge, although it doesn't go to the edge either. You've still got about an inch from the edge and about an inch from the edge or two at the top and bottom. So these numbers are worth checking out because they don't always add up. Okay, now let's look at the number of lights. And you can see right away that the MEGELIN has way more lights. And in my original video, so I'm gonna put both the original videos in the links below so that you can check it out. But in my original video, I said there's 1,280 lights. And I looked on the ad copy today and I was getting all different numbers, but not 1,280. So I decided to add them up myself. And when I added them up myself, it is 1,280. So you can see the red light, that's what we can see, but we can't see the near infrared light. So if there are 1,280 red lights and these are divided, each little ones are a red and a near infrared, then we would multiply that by 2 and we get 2,560. 2,560 on this one. Okay, now on this one you can see that it looks like only half the lights are lighting up. But actually these are the red lights and these are the near infrared lights. So there are 720 of each, and that works out to 1,440. Yeah. So 1,440 lights compared to, we said, 2,560 lights. So a significant number of more lights on the MEGELIN to the QuasarMD. When we're looking at the wavelengths of both the lights, the red lights, which again are the ones you can see, are 660 nanometers on both of them. They both have 660 nanometers on the red light. On the near infrared light, which you can't see, these ones, it is 850 nanometers on both of them. So same wavelengths on both of them, but as I said before, you're getting more light on this mat, on the MEGELIN, than the QuasarMD. Okay, the irradiance on both these mats are exactly the same, 120 milliwatts per centimeter squared. So no difference between wavelength and irradiance on the two mats. Controllers are almost identical on the MEGELIN, which is in my right hand here, and the QuasarMD is in my left hand. So when you turn them on, it's on continuous mode. And this is the mode that I use all the time. And it's ideal for comprehensive treatment, suitable for most body types, including pain, inflammation, fatigue, skin health, and circulation. It's great for regular full body sessions and consistent results. Okay, then they both have this 10 hertz pulsing mode. And this mode delivers a pulse light at 10 times per second. This gives deeper tissue penetration. It targets chronic pain, joint stiffness, muscle recovery, and is recommended after workouts or for long-term discomfort. I've got to say I don't use these, but I could experiment with them and see if I notice a difference, especially for recovery after the gym. And then there's one more mode, and you can, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see on the camera. It's pulsing super quickly. It's going 40 times per second here. And that one is supposed to gently stimulate your nervous system. So it's good for stress relief, relaxation, improved sleep, mental clarity. It's great for evening sessions and for winding down. And again, I haven't really worked much with this. I just use the continuous mode. I find the pulsing modes just kind of make me a little cuckoo. Okay, so then they all have 3 power levels. Right now it's on 1. Oh, look at this one's even doing like a slow pulse. So this one has 1 extra mode, the slow pulse. Okay, so now they've got all the lights on both of them, red light, near infrared light, and you can turn the power level. It's on level 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can choose your level, and when you're starting, you can go for a shorter amount of time, like 15 to 20 minutes, and then slowly increase the level to make sure that your skin handles it well and your system handles it well. This one also lets you change between just the 660, just the 850, or both of them. And then you can also do your time on them. So the QuasarMD starts at 10 minutes, it goes to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, back to 10. This one does, the maximum is 90 minutes, it goes down by 10-minute increments, with the shortest being 10. So slight differences. This has one more pulsing mode feature if that's important to you, but pretty much the same in terms of the treatments that it offers. Okay, let's talk about the weight between the two of them. This one is listed at 10 pounds. This one, I couldn't find a listing of how much it weighs, but it's lighter. It's significantly lighter. I do want to say, in terms of care of the mat, you do need to roll the mat when you put it away. So you can either lie it out on your bed or you can lie it out on the ground. But when you're done, you don't want to fold it and put it away, because what will happen to you is what happened to me, is that you can knock out one of the panels on a fold. So make sure you roll it. That's the better way to care for it. Okay, in terms of their guarantees, the MEGELIN gives you 60 days to see if you like it, and then it offers 100% money back guarantee. The QuasarMD allows you 100 days, so you get more time, almost like a whole other month plus, to try out the Quasar. They both have 1-year warranties, limited warranties on, like, if it's the manufacturer's fault for the problems with it. But things like this, they're not gonna, that was my fault for folding it wrong. So you can read through the fine print on that. It's pretty comprehensive in terms of what they will reimburse you for. One of them charges a restocking fee, and you are on the hook to pay for the shipping back too. Have a look at the fine print on that if you think you might just want to try it. And it's not like returning an Amazon purchase, let's just put it that way. You're going to have to jump through a lot more hoops. You're going to have to take on expenses on your own. You may have to pay restocking fees. So just keep all that in mind. So let's look at the cost between the two. It used to be that this one was, the MEGELIN was quite a bit more expensive, and the QuasarMD was a really great budget value mat. But I actually took myself through to the checkout on both of them this morning, and I want to tell you the prices as of today. These things, they go up and down, they fluctuate. So today when I checked out on the MEGELIN one, it was $711.55 with my discount code, which still works, and you get free shipping on this one. So $711.55. It's $26 more expensive than the QuasarMD, which is $677. At checkout, it was $625.52 plus $50 shipping, so it was $685. So MEGELIN $711 and QuasarMD $685, and my discount code didn't work this morning. It was Melissa15. I've reached out to them. If it does work, then I will, or it gets updated, I'll update it in the show notes. So my thoughts are, for the price difference, you want to go with the MEGELIN. You're getting way more lights, you're getting a wider coverage. You know, you want to spend the $26 extra to get more coverage, and you can just see, right? Because here's the red, here's the near infrared. You're getting more coverage on this one, and for only $26 more, it's definitely worth it. I would say if you can swing a bag, which is both, one on top of the other and they zip, if that's in your budget, to definitely do that, because when you use the mat, you have to either lie down it on your back and then flip it over so that you can put it on your top. The nice thing, it depends on if you are targeting certain parts too. Like if you just want to do your legs after the gym, the mats are super nice because you can sit in your chair, wrap it around your legs, and then you get just your legs. So that is a nice thing. It's a little bit more portable. Speaking of portable, QuasarMD comes with not only a bag, but a strap. Now this might not seem like a lot, but I find when I have things like this in my house, if they have a place and a way to put them away, it's much easier to put them away and to store them, because you're not gonna have it out all the time. Maybe you are, but most of us living in smaller spaces need to be able to put things away, and having cases for them and straps so that it keeps it wound really nicely and tightly makes all the difference. So that's a really nice feature of the QuasarMD. They both have a lifespan of 80,000 hours. Let's talk about, I don't know, legitimizing outside external bodies. The MEGELIN is FDA registered and the Quasar is FDA cleared. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know what the difference between those terms mean, but just so you know, FDA registered, FDA cleared. They come with glasses too. I don't tend to wear them when I'm on it because either I'm lying down on it and then there's no red light in my eyes, or I have it on top of me and there's no red light in my eyes. So, but you can see about the width of this one. It's not really great, the width. Okay, I do want to talk about the way that it's connected, because I do find the QuasarMD is better for the connection points. So look at this here, it's just connected, which is lovely, because the MEGELIN one has a piece that comes in and out. And, you know, depending on where you lie down, these do come unplugged. Not easily, but when you're setting it up, it's just nice that this one doesn't. And then the other thing about it is here, when you attach it to the controller, it's got this extra screw on it. So it means it's more significant to unplug it, and then it's going to stay together when you plug it in again after, because you can screw it on. That's not like that at all the joints. This is pretty standard. And then whereas the MEGELIN is all just the positive, negative, male, females. Let's compare them to panels now. Panels have a lot stronger light, have a lot stronger irradiance. However, I prefer, and I find there's just so much more ease of use with the mats, because you can lie down and relax. You can also wrap them around you. And it's just, I just find that the red light that works is the red light that you're going to use. If you have a panel, it's a planned event. You have to stand for 20 minutes facing one way, 20 minutes facing the other way. Now you still are going to have to do this with the mats, the single mats, because you're going to do it on the back and on the front. But it's just so much more relaxing to lie down. And I'm a yoga teacher, and so my students tend to be already in that mode of having time during the day for Shavasana. And if you lie down and you have a relaxation, or you do yoga nidra or a reclined meditation, these are great tools and just easier to use, in my opinion, than the panels. So overall, which would I recommend? Well, given the price points now that the MEGELIN is only $26 more, you just get more mat for your dollars. And it's just a little bit more robust. You can see the edges, like the seams and stuff are wider. I just think it's a little bit better made, despite the fact that I did blow out a panel here by folding instead of rolling. So I would recommend the MEGELIN. Spend the $26 more, use my discount code Melissa5, and you're gonna get more light coming on you than you are with the QuasarMD. If the $26 makes all the difference, then go for the QuasarMD. But for me, this mat is just a little bit more narrow, but maybe that also works for you. If you're a smaller person than me, you want a lighter mat, you want a smaller mat, then the QuasarMD is your choice. So if you have any questions for me whatsoever, or if you have any other mats you'd like me to review, or if you'd like me to review the MEGELIN mat versus the bag, because they're quite different, then let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do more review videos. Thanks so much for watching. Leave your questions below, and I hope this helped you decide between the MEGELIN and the QuasarMD.